Today we will talk about GPT-1. What this does is, let's say if you have AI content generated by AI tool, or maybe content from ChatGPT, you can put that content here. So let me find some content, so I'm gonna put this content here. This content was generated by ChatGPT, and then click on submit. Look what it does, it's gonna randomly replace the words in that text, so it randomly replaces words in your text with the synonyms, and guess what it will if your text was being detected by AI detector, it will not. So you can use this tool to really kind of humanize your AI text. Again, GPT-1.com. Number 2, this is brand new from Microsoft Designer from Microsoft. It's a designer.microsoft.com. That's the URL. Basically, you can use text prompt to create amazing designs for social media. So for example, I can say I want an Instagram post about the power of focus. Right click on generate, and this is kind of like Canva, but you're using text to generate image. Copilot ties the name of this new AI system, and look at this, I got all these images. Here you go, here's another one, so many of the set, and obviously I can, let's say if I like this one, I can click here, I can customize, and that's actually a video. I can customize it, I can upload my own media, I can change the images, I can change the text, I can brand it. So really powerful if you create content online. This is going to speed up your process, this is going to save you so much time, and it's 100% free. Designer.microsoft.com. Use your text, describe anything, you can say anything here in the text bar, and it will create the design for you. Thanks for watching my video. Like and subscribe for more videos.